how to set up a TikTok shop. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, you will have to open up this particular link. It is shop.tiktok.com and /business/US. And after that, you would be able to scroll up on here. And when you scroll down till the very end, you would be able to see that you can sign up as a seller or a creator or as partner or shopper. Just simply select it according to your own category, and after that you should be able to find this option of learn more. Now when you click on and try to go ahead in this process, you would be able to reach over here. Now here you need to select for which reason you are trying to select the TikTok shop. Now here just select any of the reason, and suppose you are going for North America as a seller, simply click on this option of enter. After that you would need to enter your details and create an account. I would suggest you to create a new account rather than going with your already existing TikTok shop or TikTok account. This way you would be able to unlink your TikTok account in future and link with another account quite easily. So just provide your personal details like your email address and password. You would be getting an code on your email address. Just simply put that code and you would be able to select how you want to proceed. Just select as you want to sell it as merchant, and after that you need to provide some more information about you, and like you would be requiring your license or some other identity card in order to get yourself registered on TikTok shop. After that you would be able to create your account quite easily. Just follow the procedure given by TikTok shop. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.